Oh! Big head kick. And that brings us now to the next pro fight between Punyajit and Mayank.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the cage, Mayank Kohli!
Mayank Kohli अंदर आ रहे हैं. Andrew, आप जानते हो इस फाइटर के बैकग्राउंड को.
Oh,
Tell us about this guy.
Mayank Kohli is a fantastic grappler, incredibly strong, incredibly focused, trains out of one of the best camps in India, out of Warriors Cove in Gurgaon. A really, really good camp with a great head coach. Really huge prospects, and I can't wait to see them go head to head. Yeah, this is one of the most exciting fights for me in the card.
को by God ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये mentally पूरा तैयार है.
Oh yeah, Mayank has definitely got his head in the right place. But let's take it back to Jared in the cage now.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Punyajit Likaro!
और अब पुन्याजीत आ रहे हैं.
Making his way from the red corner into the cage, Punyajit Likaro, originally from Assam. I mean, he showed up in cross-train a couple of years ago, a newbie, and within 6-7 months, the guy was just crushing veterans, man. This guy is the truth. I've seen Punyajit grow from a young man into the excellent fighter he is today. He's got fantastic strikes. He's been training at Bali MMA, and his ground game is excellent as well.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. तो मतलब ये जो मैच है, ये दो होनहार, talented, खतरनाक लोगों के बीच में ये मैच होने वाला है.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, standing at 5 feet 8 inches and weighing in at 66 kilograms, representing Delhi, make some noise for Mayank Kohli! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, standing at 5 feet 9 inches and weighing in at 66 kilograms, representing Assam. Give it up for Punyajit Likaro! Ladies and gentlemen, the referee for the fight, Mayank.
Fighters, you know the rules. Listen to my commands carefully. Go back to your corners now.
Wait, I'm very excited for this fight.
आप मेरे को बता रहे थे एंड्रू कि पुन्याजीत आपके टीममेट हैं.
Yes, I've trained extensively with the guy, and he's beaten me all over the cage, He's tapped me out multiple times, and I can tell you, the guy is the truth. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. They touch gloves. Punyajit with a nice leg kick. Mayank is looking to throw.
लेग किक्स एक्सचेंज हो रही हैं दोनों में.
Oh, nice. Punyajit looks like the cleaner striker, but Mayank has definitely got a lot of power in his hands.
और मयंक उसी मौके की खोज में लग रहे हैं मेरे को.
Nice 1-2 by Punyajit.
पुन्याजीत कितने लाइट है अपनी मूवमेंट में, आराम से आगे पीछे अंदर बाहर.
Nice body kick by Mayank, and that's why he pushes him away. Mayank attempts a takedown. Fantastic
That
defense
was classy,
by Punyajit.
definitely.
Yes, that was slick by Punyajit. You can see the guy's been training a lot. Oh, nice leg kick.
Nice leg kick. यहाँ तक आवाज आई.
Yeah, that was a really nice leg kick. Punyajit is really looking at, he's controlling the action. Nice right hand by Punyajit as well.
Right on the chin.
Right on the
ये
chin.
कितना smooth movements है पुन्याजीत की. This is amazing.
Yeah, he's fighting like a real professional. Like, and this guy, he's making his pro debut. Both these guys are making their pro debuts, and they're fighting like they're professionals. What a fantastic first minute, yeah?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Nice leg kick again.
This is a treat to the eyes.
Yeah, this is a definite. Like, I think Punyajit is looking to chop Mayank down and maybe finish the fight in the later rounds. Oh, nice shot by Mayank.
Strong right hand.
Nice right hand by Mayank. Punyajit needs to defend now. Both guys get into a clinch. Mayank is going to look to take this to the ground. Punyajit has got a nice underhook on him. Nice break by Punyajit.
बहुत अच्छा डिफेंड किया पुन्याजीत ने.
He took a nice shot as well. His chin held up because Mayank is a very powerful striker.
Definitely उस शॉट में पावर थी.
Nice 1-2 by Punyajit. He's really controlling the cage, yeah, with his striking, with his leg kicks. And he's got really good stance switching as well. He was fighting from orthodox to southpaw.
कितने काम लग रहे हैं पुन्याजीत. आराम से अपनी गेम खेल रहे हैं.
But he cannot take Mayank Kohli lightly because the guy's an absolute killer. If he gets one takedown, he might just be able to finish the fight there, Mayank. Nice head kick by Mayank. Nice head kick.
बहुत ज़्यादा impact नहीं था उसका.
It wasn't
But-
too much of an impact, but it kept Punyajit essentially aware and attentive, you know.
Right.
Got his attention. Mayank as well looks very, very calm. He's a fantastic fighter. I'm so excited to see these two guys
बिल्कुल
fight.
मयंक को कोई टेंशन नहीं हो रही है कि इतने सारे स्ट्राइक्स लैंड हो रहे हैं, कुछ भी हो रहा है. He's waiting for his turn.
Yeah, he's definitely waiting for his turn. Nice, another nice left kick, another nice inside leg kick. As we said, Mayank's got some good Muay Thai and he's showing it right here.
जो मेच्योरिटी और पेशेंस इन दोनों फाइटर्स में देखने को मिल रही है वो भी बहुत कमाल की है. सम स्ट्राइकिंग देयर फ्रॉम मयंक.
Oh, absolutely. Punyajit looks very, very slick on his feet. I'm waiting for Mayank to really, really shoot a deep takedown right now. I'm assuming that at some point of time he's going to try and take Punyajit down.
जिस तरीके से अभी स्ट्राइकिंग चल रही है, आई थिंक मयंक को करना ही पड़ेगा ये.
He
नाइस
has to,
राइट
yeah.
हैंड फ्रॉम मयंक.
Very nice right hand by Mayank. And look at him, even he's switching stances. Oh, fantastic leg kick by Punyajit. He needs to keep going back to that because that I think is going to really help him slow Mayank down in the later rounds.
बिल्कुल बार बार अगर आपको लेग किक लगे तो दैट स्लोज यू डाउन.
Nice shot by Punya, blocked by Mayank. Oh, nice uppercut. Both these guys are really, really going for it. Yeah, none of them are moving a step back. Nice shot by
नाइस
Punya.
पंचेस.
This is almost like a feeling out round between these two fighters. You know, they're not going full blast, but they're actually like really, really looking at each other's games, trying to figure out where exactly the openings are.
Right.
Punyajit has been landing that leg kick from the beginning of this fight.
एक बहुत ही अच्छा टेक्निकल मार्शल आर्ट्स का मैच देखने को मिल रहा है.
This is very, very technical.
नाइस
And
अपरकट.
to think these guys used to be amateurs. Like, you know, this is their first pro fight. Oh, Punyajit takes Mayank down, and this is where we're going to see the real battle. Punya is in Mayank's half guard. Mayank has a nice open half guard. Let's see what he does with it. Punya is chest to chest, very, very tight. He's going to look to pass his half guard into side control. There are 50 seconds left. Let's see what Punya can do with this. He's very tight. I think Punya should attempt some ground and pound just to seal the round. You know, Manan?
बिल्कुल 40 सेकंड बचे हैं इस राउंड में और पुण्यजीत जो कर सकते हैं उनको अब करना चाहिए. राउंड वैसे भी मुझे लगता है उन्हीं के फेवर में जा रहा है.
It is, but here, this is the danger of getting caught in something like this. You know, Mayank is a very, very good ground fighter, so you cannot take any like silly chances with him. You have to be on point, and all your I's have to be dotted, all your T's have to be crossed with this guy. Yeah.
मयंक जिस तरीके से अपने पैरों को हुक कर रहे हैं पुण्यजीत की टांगों में वो कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है. टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दैट एंड्रू. व्हाट इज ही ट्राइंग टू डू
So basically, what he's trying to do right now is he's trying to grab him and use what we call a tripod sweep. Right? He's going to use his right leg to put behind Punyajit's left foot and pull and push at the same time. Oh, he's got a nice heel hook, but Punyajit is going to turn. The 10 seconds left. Oh, that was a nice heel hook attempt by Mayank. That Punyajit had the cage against that and couldn't roll out of the heel hook. So what happens in a heel hook is when you grab a heel hook,
बिल्कुल
savage.
दोनों फाइटर्स बहुत ही टैलेंटेड हैं.
Oh, fantastic. So this is kind of like revenge for Punya as well.
अरे क्या बात है, मतलब मसाला भी है इस फाइट में.
Little bit of drama, a little bit of masala. That's what we love here at MFN.
This is MFN 3, ladies and gentlemen.
Back to the battle of the prospects. Punyajit Likharu versus Mayank Kohli, round 2.
ये जो फाइट्स आप देख रहे हैं इनका नेशनल सैंक्शन आईमा का है और इंटरनेशनल सैंक्शन गैमएफ का है, ग्लोबल एसोसिएशन ऑफ मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट्स फेडरेशंस.
Punya needs to get off the cage right now. Mayank is... Oh, there's a low blow. And Mayank, look, you got to give it to Mayank, man. The guy's a fantastic sportsman. He knew he hit him in the groin and he put his hand up. He was like, yep.
खुद ही उन्होंने अपना हाथ खड़ा कर दिया.
This is what real martial arts is about, ladies and gentlemen. Respect and violence. Oh, nice left hook by Punya.
Respect and violence. What a paradoxical but beautiful combination.
It totally is, yeah. Like, I mean, you can... Oh, nice right hook by Punya. Nice kick. I think Punya needs to go back to his leg kicks and really take Mayank out of his game, you know. Right now, see, as soon as Mayank switched to orthodox stance, Punyajit will fire off that right leg kick. He's got an nice inside leg kick. Oh, that was a nice leg kick by Mayank as well.
बिल्कुल मयंक के शॉट्स में पावर देखने को मिल रही है और
Yes.
पुनिया के शॉट्स में एक
Precision.
there's this automatic nature.
Yeah.
It's like he's a machine. His shots just they fly off
And
on
as you
their
can
own.
see, he doesn't chamber his shots. Like, it just comes like, you know, bang, like out of nowhere. Fantastic striking. Nice right hand by Mayank. He's got him in a nice clinch. Punya needs to break this clinch right now. Got double underhooks. Put him up against the cage. Very nice by Punyajit. Fantastic work.
अब हमें दोनों
Oh,
की
nice
clinch
knee
game
to the
देखने को
body.
मिलेगी.
Nice knee to the body. Punyajit is looking maybe to take him down again. Maybe he felt confident, you know, there. Punya is working very, very hard for this takedown.
मुझे लगता है पुनिया को अपनी स्ट्राइकिंग पे रहना चाहिए बिकॉज वो बहुत अच्छी कर रहे थे, डोमिनेट कर रहे थे वो.
Yes, he was dominating striking. This is very dangerous because Mayank Kohli has a fantastic guillotine. Punya should be really, really careful here. Nice one.
Takedown.
That was a fantastic takedown. He basically broke the grip and took him down. And right now, Punya needs to get up and start ground and pounding. And for Mayank, he needs to get out of this position. Basically, get out of the use his right leg and sweep Punyajit. But Punyajit is also very good on the ground.
तो एंड्रू आप ये कह रहे हो कि मयंक को ये पोजीशन इस टाइम रिवर्स करना बहुत जरूरी है.
बहुत zaruri. It's very important for him to reverse his position right now because if he stays here, he's going to be losing the round. And this is what, and as you can see, Punyajit is using what we call a Dagestani handcuff. He's reaching out with his left hand and grabbing Mayank's, reaching out with his left hand and grabbing Mayank's left hand behind his back. That essentially stops Mayank from using his left hand, and Punyajit could have, ideally, let off some strikes there.
बिल्कुल, कितनी फैसिनेटिंग चीज़ है ये. तो मैं हमारी ऑडियंस को ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि ग्राउंड गेम में बहुत सारी सटल चीज़ें चल रही होती हैं जिनके बारे में हमें पता नहीं होता. कहाँ आपका हाथ है, कहाँ आपकी ग्रिप है, ये सारी चीज़ें डिटरमिन करती हैं whether you'll be able to hold your position or you'll lose it.
As you can see right now, Mayank is trying to work his hips. He's trying to basically he's trying to set up a triangle or a hammer lock. He just missed out on a hammer lock. But the way he was shifting his hips, now Manan, he was trying to set up what we call a triangle choke. Basically, he will isolate Punya's one arm and his head and choke at using his legs.
Right. उसके लिए उनको अपनी hips की position को change करना होता
Yep,
है.
but he's still getting grounded because Punyajit is a fantastic wrestler as well. He's got a very good ground game and he's using it to control and neutralize Mayank.
Right, दोनों ही fighters की ground game exceptional है और वो हमें देखने को मिल रहा है.
Yep, Punyajit is here. He's doing a really, really good job of holding Mayank down. But Mayank is still trying for that triangle. As you can see, he's going for wrist control, trying to push him away. This is where Punya needs to let off some strikes now and then pass.
That's what I was going to say. I would like
Yes.
to see Punya deliver some strikes now.
Yep.
Soften Mayank up a little bit.
Yes, I agree as well. Maybe a couple of elbows. I think he needs to drop an elbow or two right now.
एक दो अगर पंच सही से लग जाएं, elbows सही से लग जाएं, उसके बाद आप जो करना चाहते हो grappling में वो ज़्यादा easy हो जाता है.
Yeah, obviously, because as a lot of things as you have a plan until you get hit, right? So you can plan for your triangles, you can plan for your arm bars, but once you get elbowed in the face, all of that flies out the window.
Absolutely.
But this is a really, really interesting grappling match between the two as well. Punya is looking to pass guard. He's looking to shove Mayank's right foot between himself, and here he is almost. He's in half guard right now. It's a very tight ground battle. Mayank again going on a heel hook. Punya gets up again. Fantastic scramble by Mayank Kohli. Oh, and he takes
And
Punya
Mayank
down and
is on
ends up
top.
in mount.
Wow. ये
Mayank has 15 seconds to finish this before the round ends. Punya is taking a couple of shots. There's 10 seconds left.
ये time की वजह से बच जाएंगे शायद.
Yep.
वरना ये बहुत dangerous position
This
है.
is a very, very dangerous position for Punyajit.
ये position अगर मयंक को मान लो 1.5-2 मिनट पहले मिल गई होती
He could have finished the fight.
Punya
Yep.
could have been in deep trouble.
Yeah, Punya would have been in deep trouble. What Punyajit needs to do right now is keep Mayank away from him. Fight him at distance. Punyajit really needs to sort of like fight smart right now.
उनका ground game अच्छा है.
Yeah.
वो defend तो कर लेते हैं. But he should stick to his striking right now.
I think,
क्योंकि
yeah.
उसमें वो clearly dominate कर रहे थे. बिल्कुल इनके लिए नया है ये एकदम.
Yep. And let's get ready for the third round, ladies and gentlemen.
और अब पसीने के साथ एंड्रू ग्राउंड में गेम चेंज हो जाती है क्या?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Sometimes it makes chokes easier to slip out of. It makes locks and holds easier to slip out of. And if you try to get a rear naked choke, it may help you even slip it in. So there's always a give and take with sweat while you're fighting.
Pros and cons.
Yeah, pros and cons.
बहुत बढ़िया. मयंक काफी एक्टिव
Oh,
लग रहा है.
nice leg kick by Punya. You can see Mayank is definitely has a sense of urgency once he took those leg kicks. Punyajit needs to circle off the cage right now because if he keeps nice body lock by Punya. Nice body lock by Punya. He pushes Mayank back to the cage. Nice work by Punyajit. But Mayank is definitely gone. He's looking to push Punya back against the cage as well.
बिल्कुल. I think मयंक को कहीं ना कहीं ये feel हो रहा है कि उनको अब attack करने की aggressively ज़रूरत है.
Yes, he needs to really attack this third round if he really wants to win this fight. It's a very close fight, but as of right now, I have Punya edging it a little bit. Nice, he's got the leg in. Oh, he's gonna, nice one. Nice defense by Punyajit. Very nice defense by Punyajit.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत grappling देखने को मिल
Oh,
रही है.
but takes him down, grabs him. Punya needs to get up right now, or it's going to be very difficult for Punya to land a submission right now because both these guys are incredibly sweaty.
Right.
Mayank is essentially, if he stays here, he's going to definitely win the round. So Punya has got to work to get up.
अब देखना ये है कि क्या मयंक TKO ले पाएंगे या किसी तरह इस राउंड को, इस फाइट को फिनिश कर पाएंगे, सबमिशन हो चाहे TKO हो.
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm looking. Mayank needs to submit Punyajit or knock him out right now to finish this fight.
लास्ट राउंड में हम यही बात कर रहे थे कि अगर मयंक को डोमिनेंट पोजीशन में कुछ मिनट मिल जाएं तो
Yes.
maybe he can do something.
Punyajit needs to push him away right now. He has, yeah, push him away and get up. Perfect. Fantastic get up by Punyajit.
बहुत बढ़िया डिफेंस पुन्याजीत की तरफ से.
Yes. Really good defense. Looking to strike now. Someone's bleeding. There's a little bit of blood.
I think that's Mayank.
Is that Mayank?
Yeah, I think
Oh, it
that's
looks like
Mayank's
it. Nice.
nose.
Nice knee by Punyajit. Now he needs to get his back off the cage now. He needs to get his back off the cage. Both these guys are tired.
बिल्कुल.
Both are sweaty, yeah.
इनकी शक्ल पे दिख रहा है कि ये लड़ रहे हैं और अपनी पूरी जान लगा रहे हैं इस फाइट के लिए.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
they're tired now.
They are tired. Yeah, it's almost the end of the fight and it's 2.5 minutes left. Punya needs to get up again. Good takedown by Mayank. What Punya needs to do right now is get double underhooks, turn Mayank over and break. If he can break the action, then he can get back to striking because Mayank is going to do this all day and push Punyajit against the fence.
Right, but Mayank को भी कुछ करने की जरूरत है.
Yes.
वहाँ खड़े होने से नहीं होगा.
Yes, correct. You are correct. He needs to also improve position, start punching, start throwing shots.
जहाँ तक मेरा जजमेंट है अभी तक फाइट पुन्याजीत जीत रहे हैं. तो अगर मयंक को कुछ करना है तो एकदम करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, he really needs to take this fight to Punya. Because right now it's kind of, he's not doing much damage to Punya and he's holding him up against the cage, which is still winning the round, but he's not doing the damage that Punya did. Like Punya had some nice leg kicks, good shots, took Mayank down a couple of times.
बिल्कुल. और मान लो राउंड खत्म होने से पहले लास्ट में अगर पुनिया 2-4 सिग्निफिकेंट स्ट्राइक्स लैंड कर लेते हैं तो then the round can go to him as well.
Yeah, it definitely could.
So
But
Mayank should do
Yeah.
more than just maintaining this position.
yes, and look, man, say what you want about Mayank Kohli, the guy's a killer. So you cannot take any chances with him. Look at him, like he's tired. It's the third round. He's still driving for a takedown.
बिल्कुल. वो तो हमने देख ही लिया इस फाइट में कि मयंक कोहली is a killer.
Yeah, oh, definitely. Punyajit needs to drop some elbows now. Needs to fight the takedown. A nice knee tap by Mayank to put Punya down. Nice work by Punyajit, basically. Oh, nice work. This is what we needed. We needed Punya to break this. Nice knee by Punya. Another nice knee.
मयंक पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि
Yes,
वो
he's-
डोमिनेट कर सकें,
Yeah,
पुनिया को
he's-
ग्राउंड पे ले जा सकें.
Yeah, he's definitely trying to dominate. That's for sure. That's definitely for sure, yeah. Punya can definitely blast out some knees here. Oh, nice. He tried to take Mayank down. He shifted, got him in a double leg. I think I need to see if he has his hands clasped, but he doesn't. Good work by Mayank to defend that takedown. Really good work.
बिल्कुल. बट अभी पुनिया hasn't given up. वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं इसको नीचे ले जाने की.
Oh, this is a very, very close fight, Mananda. Very, very close fight. One major act by... Oh, nice.
And Punya gets the takedown.
Nice. Punya gets a nice double leg takedown, throws in some strikes. Oh, fantastic work by Punyajit Dikharu. He's going to stand up and
पुनिया
start
के
blasting
कॉर्नर
now.
चिल्ला रहे हैं कि मारो मारो 10 सेकंड रह गए हैं,
He's
15
got 10
सेकंड रह गए हैं.
seconds. Correct. He's got 10 seconds left. He needs to give everything right now. Everything he's got to throw it in right now. Really good work by Punya. Great work by Mayank as well to defend. Fantastic
बिल्कुल,
fight by
बहुत
both
अच्छी
guys.
फाइट थी.
Oh,
बहुत ही
wow. Fantastic fight by both guys. Seriously, fantastic.
बहुत अच्छी टेक्निकल मार्शल आर्ट
Yes.
देखने को मिली है.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Yashpal scored the bout 29-28. Judge Pallavi scored the bout 30-27. Judge Shak scored the bout 30-27, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Punyajit Likaro!
जैसा
As
कि
we
हमने
said.
एक्सपेक्ट किया था एंड्रू,
As we
पुनिया
said.
जीत ये फाइट जीत गए. मुझे तो बहुत, मैं जानता हूँ आप बहुत एक्साइटेड हो क्योंकि आप पुनिया जीत के साथ ट्रेन करते थे पहले.
Yes, I used to train with the guy. I'm very excited, very happy for him.